Oh, look at the beast. So, I'm on holiday. Even though I'm on holiday, they obviously haven't heard that up there in the weather gods, because the weather is pants. But I thought I would give myself a little treat and come out and see if we can find any flooding anywhere. Just look at this bike. Yeah, I'm not just saying it because I love Triumph. This bike just does everything I want it to do. I wouldn't mind the new upgraded one, to be honest, but there's a big problem. It's money, isn't it? Look at these leaves here. All these leaves, they're not good. Can be a bit slippery underfoot. Anyway, guys, let's go for a ride. Good morning. Why is it every time I turn off the main road into a little lane like that, right? I have cars following me. Today's exercise is to see how high the rivers are. Whether they will be or not, I do not know. Anyway, we should go and have a look now. This is coming down towards the sheep dipping bridge, where they used to throw the sheep off into the river to clean them years ago. Up there was an old people's home. It's been knocked down now. Oh gosh, let's have a look here now. Oh, it's raining. Too much rain. Right, this is the bridge. It is actually quite all right.
Watch when you get to the junction.
It's really deep, is it?
It's really deep.
Which one now, Wenny or the?
Wenny.
Oh, okay.
Very deep, right?
Thank you. Wow. I don't know if you heard that, but that guy said to me, when you get to the junction at the Wenny, it's probably about 1.5 miles up here. You have to be very, very careful. I'll tell you what, we're going to stop here a minute and have a look at this river. Okay. Over there on the far bank, many, many hundreds of years ago, apparently used to be an inn, because this was the main road going from Cardiff to Swansea, back in the day. And people used to stop off and stay at the inn and have a meal and an ale, I guess. Then they'd go to bed and he'd promptly murder them. So, allegedly, that's what happened here. Some lovely people about, aren't there? Eh? Let's get on to the next one. The question is, my friends, do we go through the flood if it's a foot deep or not? Look at that, average 61 miles to the gallon. You can't fault that, can you really? It's right, let's hope that nothing's coming. Don't know if I'm going to take a chance, to be honest, to go on that where it's flooded. We might give it a miss. I do apologise for the heavy breathing. Hopefully nothing coming now. Oh, it's a nice day for tennis. Can't believe there's people out there playing tennis with their coats on. Fair play. We're on our way down to Merthyr village now. If you've seen it, well, if you're a regular follower of mine, you would have seen me go down here before to my favourite little church. Very nice picturesque village. A lot of thatched roofs and everything. There's some peacocks live behind that house. Well, I must say, despite the weather, it's quite nice to get out on the old Tigger, on the Tiger. There's a bridge down there. We might have a look in a minute down there. It's a bit dodgy underfoot, that's the problem. And here is my favourite little church. Oh. I know I'm a bit of a wuss, but when you feel the front tyre going out on you, yeah, and the back tyre slipping, more of this slippery stuff. Gee, God, why did I come here? I'm afraid I'm no itchy boots. I was laying in bed earlier and I'm thinking, oh dear, let's check the weather forecast. And I checked it and it's wet. And this rain is going to get progressively worse, apparently. It's going to be, like, quite torrential. And I thought, oh, come on, get out of bed. Let's go for a ride. And now I'm wondering, is there something wrong with me? Crazy people playing tennis in this weather. Oh dear. Right, do I go down towards the flooded area or don't I? I tell you what, I think I'm going to go and have a look. And then we'll see. Right, we're coming up to it. It's about half a mile away. Quarter of a mile maybe. You know, sometimes you've got to be careful what you wish for, haven't you, eh? I'm thinking, let's go out, see if we can find any flooded areas to show you, and then you get a little bit more than you bargained for. Nice and gentle. Oh my God, I wish somebody was filming me. Okay, we're through. Okay. So, I lied. Well, I don't know if I said I was going to go down to the Ogmore Beach here. But I've changed my mind. And I'm going to go down to Southern Down. Wow. Looks a little bit choppy. Although it's not that windy, so I don't think it's that bad. The tide is probably in. Oh, Jesus. Don't go speeding along here. See, trouble is, you know, you do forget, didn't you? Oh, it's 30. It's 30 along here, not 20, idiot. Now it's 20. Anything coming? Can't see a thing. Look at that, there's a bit of land there, a little bit of wasteland, right? And Bridgend County Council put a parking meter there. I overtook this red car already, this Insignia, and stupidly let it past again when I pulled over. Yeah, this is the road down to the beach. And this is the sort of luck I have all the time. Not that I want to go fast or anything, but I don't want a red insignia stuck in front of me, ruining my day. I'm going to have to get therapy again now. Absolutely. Right, that little peninsula sticky out bit over there that you can see, hopefully, is that's called the Witch's Point. And up there, you won't be able to see it, but up on the hill was Dunraven House, Castle House. It was a great big, sort of slightly fortified, well, very slightly fortified manor house. Oh, look at the sea. And there's van life people here as well. Right, I've found my parking space. Right here.
Okay, I hope you can hear me okay. We're gonna, sorry, I'm looking rubbish, look, in the, oh, what's wrong with people? Gonna walk down to the water's edge here. The sea is quite angry today, look. I've seen it worse. Right, this is Southerndown Beach, or some people say Dunraven Beach, but to me, Dunraven Beach is the other side of that peninsula there, which is Witch's Point. We don't want to get swept away here, do we? Eh? You can hear the noise of the pebbles being dragged backwards as the waves recede. And just up there, I don't know if you can see, just on top is an old World War II bunker, which is kind of fallen away and sunk into the cliff there, as the cliff's been eroded. This is a beautiful sandy beach in the summertime. It's quite nice being out, even if the weather is pants, it is quite nice being out. It's not raining at the moment, and I don't want to go too far because, being the wimp that I am, I know it will be raining soon. I just wanted to say, the car park is the other side of wall, and I just wanted to say that here, right here in this little gap between the wall and the cliff there, and this stream, they filmed a little bit of Poldark here. I've seen still photographs of Aidan Turner and company. I don't know the other people's names, so sorry. Ah, get away from me. Get away. It's a horsefly or something. And they were here. Ah. Why me? Why am I getting attacked by horseflies? I'm not a horse. The house, the old Dunraven house, was up there on that ridge with the gardens below, which the gardens are still there. But not a great deal of money is pumped into it. But you know, it's nice. Meant to be units for selling ice cream and whatnot. But I've never seen them open, not since I was a kid in the 70s. Yeah, I'm that old. So there you are, you see, snacks, ice creams. There used to be, there's a defibrillator there as well. You obviously have to phone up and get the code to use that, because we live in a society where somebody would just throw it away for no reason whatsoever. And up here, up that road there is a visitor centre. What have we got here? Water? That's water. Does it work? Well, gee, it does. There's the toilets there, look, gentlemen. So the women's must be round the other side. Oh, it looks nice and clean, to be fair. Have a quick look. Do you know what? To be fair, that is spotless. Yeah, fair play to that. Yeah, well done, Bridgend Council. Yeah, and up there is a Heritage Coast Centre. There's a few cars there, so I don't know if it's open, but I'm not walking up there because I have all my clobber on. See the beast, 2 van lives either side, and the rows in between. Looking very dirty though, I must admit. If ever you go to the Ardennes in Belgium, that's a great place to go. Baton Rouge, see Ben and Hetty. It's a proper biker motel. Minging. Look at this here. She needs a wash. Sometimes I just haven't got a clue what to do. Heard that somewhere before. Look. Mr. Wasp, why are you following me around? Well, as predicted, the rain has come back again, but I'm gonna kind of go home now anyway, and see if I can edit a little video up to put up on YouTube. My channel isn't doing very well, to be honest. I don't. Maybe it's probably me because I'm not that interesting. I'm not funny, and I'm a bit boring. But you would think out of all the people in the world, you'd have more views than, like, you know, a couple of hundred. And that seems to be my average, a couple of hundred views. It's a bit frustrating, but hey ho. I enjoy making them, to be honest. I enjoy sitting down at the computer for about 16 hours and well, perhaps not that long, but it definitely takes up the majority of the day. Oh, bit of a bump there over the cattle grid. I can edit the video sort of fairly quickly. I suppose in about, say a half-hour video, you can edit it in about, 4 hours. The problem is, you've got to get things like hooked up right, you know. Sometimes I get them out of sync, like with the audio if the other guys are with me. Let's go this way. Bloody hell, how difficult is it to turn right? So if the other guys are with me, then you've got 2 lots of files for the audio, and when you edit, you think, I'll cut that little bit out here now,
and then I forget to do the same with the audio file, and then hey presto, when you watch it back, and I do watch them back, it's all out of sync. And then I think, well, nobody watches them anyway. What does it matter? But it does matter. It matters to me. You like to put out the best that you can anyway. So this is a little village called Corntown, and it's where very rich people live in their very expensive houses. Listen guys, I'm a couple of miles away from my house. I'm going to wrap it up here. Nothing else to say, but I hope you all enjoy and keep yourself safe. Don't ride like a lunatic. More water on the road. And we'll catch up again. Have a good one. Bye-bye. This is Thunder Road. There. Yeah, not bad. Please like and subscribe if you can. That's a bingo hole.